Good morning, students. We welcoming in our online session MVM College of Commerce, Management and IT, Rajkot, Saurashtra University. Lecture number 1, BBSM 2 students. Subject: Advanced Techniques of Business Mathematics. Subject code is 19BBA203. It is very important for you subject code, because when you attend exam, then this subject code paper is must you have on hand. Subject code 19BBA203. Unit number 4, and it is our last unit, Mathematics of Finance. In this unit, we are cover this point: introduction, simple interest, compound interest, effective rate of interest, present value of money under compound interest, annuity and sinking fund, and examples. This is very important topic. In this unit, we are cover. Today we discuss about the two method. Method number 1, simple interest, and method number 2, compound interest. All of you know about the simple interest, because in the simple interest you are easily understood, and I think this topic was you study in standard 8 also. Simple interest, the formula is I is equal to PRN upon 100. Here P is equal to principal, R is equal to rate of interest, N is equal to number of years. I is equal to interest. Note down કરી લ્યો points and formula. First of all, we are clear about the concept of simple interest. When the interest is calculated on the principal only for the entire period, it is called simple interest. The simple interest, I means simple interest, at the rate of R per annum on principal P for a period of n years. Some are called for T for time. It's given by the formula is I is equal to PRN upon 100. If the aggregate of principal and interest after n year, it's called for amount. Also we find this formula. Suppose when the question is related to amount find કરવાની હોય, amount means with interest. So the formula is A is equal to P plus I. The formula is P plus I. It is called for amount. principal plus interest. Okay, then now we calculate the question. There are the three different questions we calculated for the simple interest. Question number 1, find the simple interest. Here the question is clear cut. Simple interest on 10,000 at a 10% for 4 years. So first of all, you are decided the symbol. Here the principal is 10,000. Rate of interest 10%. Yeah, 10 upon 100. Number of years 4 years. And here the question is simple interest, means I is equal to question mark. It means આપણે I find કરવાનું રહેશે. P is equal to 10,000, R is equal to 10%, N is equal to 4 year, and I is equal to question mark. Done. Then after you write the formula, I is equal to PRN upon 100. P means 10,000, R means 10%, N is equal to 4 years upon 100. You cut to 0 and multiply this value 1000 into 4, so your answer is 4000. This 4000, it is called for simple interest. This is simple interest. If we find A amount, it is P plus I. So P is 10,000 plus I is equal to 4,000. So total amount is 14,000 with interest. This 14,000, it is called for with interest 14,000. You are paid after 4 years. Okay, done. Again, the second questions. Question number 2. Find the simple interest. In these questions, the word was given simple interest. Find the simple interest on 15,000 at 8% for 2 years. So here the symbol is P is equal to 15,000. Rate of interest is 8%. 2 years. And simple interest means I આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું થશે. Now we are applying the formula. Here P is equal to 15,000, R is equal to 8%, 2 years upon 100, 20 cut. Final answer 2400. Two four double zero. If we find A, P plus I, 15,000 plus 2400, 17,400. 17,400, it is your final answer. Done? Okay, one more questions. Question number 3. Just try it. તમને 5 minutes આપું છું, તમે ટ્રાય કરી જુઓ. ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 3. ફાઇન્ડ ધ સિમ્પલ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ. ક્વેશ્ચનમાં ક્લિયર લખ્યું છે સિમ્પલ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ. ફાઇન્ડ ધ સિમ્પલ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ on 5,000 rupees at 12% for 3 years. ચાલો ટ્રાય કરો જો ક્વેશ્ચન. સિમ્પલ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ 5,000, 12%, 3 years. I think the question is completed. Now the next question, next method number 2, compound interest. In the compound interest, when the interest at the end of a specified period is added to the principal and the interest for the next period is calculated on the new principal, the interest payable is called compound interest. We shall obtain a formula: A is equal to P into bracket 1 plus I raised to n. Here I is equal to R upon 100. P means principal, R means rate of interest, n is equal to time. All the points are same, but here we find directly A. Okay, now the formula is clear. Then we find, suppose if interest A minus P, if we find the interest, the formula is A minus P. Clear formula. Next point, આપણે question જોઈએ. Question number 1. Find the compound rate of interest. Here the word was compound rate of interest. આ word અહીંયા યુઝ થયેલો હશે. 10,000 rupees, so principal amount is 10,000. Rate of interest is 10%, so R is equal to 10%. And time is 4 years. And here the compound of interest find. So first of all we find A, then we find I. આ સિમ્બોલ તમે લખી લ્યો. Now we are applying the formula. A is equal to P into bracket 1 plus I raised to n. 10,000, 1 plus 0.10 raised to 4. 10,000, 1.10 raised to 4. In the calculator, 1.10 raised to 4. So you get it, the answer is 10,000 into 1.4641. Then multiply 10,000. Your answer is A, 14641. Now we find I, A minus B. Minus 10,000. So you get it, the answer is 4641. Or 641 is the interest. I think it is very easy method. It is clear. Now just second question, just you try it. Find the compound rate of interest on 20,000 at 5% premium for 2 years. So here P is equal to 20,000, rate of interest 5%. So I is equal to 5 upon 100, 0.05. N is equal to 2 years. Okay, is it clear? Another questions. Suppose find the compound rate of interest. Here 5,000, 10%, 2 years, but here the done half yearly. When the word half yearly, then we apply this formula. But here, when you find I, R upon 100, suppose 10%, so 10 upon 100, 0.10, then divide by half yearly means divide by 2. Why divide by 2? Okay, because half yearly is done in a year 2 times, so K is equal to 2. Quarterly means every 3 months, then K is equal to 4. Monthly, then K is equal to 12. When the word use half yearly, monthly, quarterly, every 4 months, then we are using the value of K. So here the symbol is P is equal to 5000, R is equal to 10%, I is equal to 0.05, and N is equal to 2 into 2, 4. I માં 2 થી ડિવાઈડ કરવાના અને N માં 2 થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાના. So the here little change when the word used for half yearly. Okay, the formula will be same. P 5000, 1 plus 0.05, then 4. 1.05 raised to 4, 2, 3, 4. Your answer is 1.21550,625. Then multiply by 5000. So you final get it answer 6077.53. So your A is equal to 6078. A is equal to 6078. Done. Today's homework is calculate for the practice on illustration number 1 to 8 in your book and exercise question number 4 to 11. આટલું હોમવર્ક તમારે કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરવાનું છે. Thank you very much.